Greetings all, I hope you all are fine. So up to now we have covered exercise 3.2 up to sum 4. So today we'll write just sum 5, okay. What's there in the sum 5? The greatest prime number between 1 and 10. Everyone know prime number starts with 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 is not a prime number. Then after this we have 11. So this greatest prime number before 10, that is 1 and 10, that will be 7 only. Okay, now we are coming to sum 6. We have to express 44 as the sum of two odd numbers. Okay, how we can express it as odd numbers? 41 plus 3 we can write it as, so it's your choice in which form we are writing. Okay, as sum of two odd numbers. Now we have 36. How I will write 36 as sum of two odds? 33 plus 3, or I can write it as 31 plus 5. Okay, these are the combination possible. Next we have 24. How I can write 24 as sum of two odds? 21 plus 3. I can write it as like this, or what I can write it as 17 plus 7. Now in D part we have 18. How I can write 18 as sum of two odd numbers? That is 11 plus 7. I can take any of the, or I can take line 9 plus 9. That is sum of two odd numbers. Sum of two odd numbers. Okay. I can take as many examples I want it. Okay. Now I am rubbing it. So I am forwarding. So we are forwarding to the next exercise. Next question, that will be of question number 7. Read it out, everyone. What's there in the question number 7? It's there. We have to find the pair of prime numbers whose difference is 2. Okay. Everyone know they are twin primes. Whose difference is 2, they are called twin primes. Okay. We have examples like 3 and 5, their difference is 2. We can take also 7 with 9, we can't take because 9 is not a prime number. Now we can take 3 and 5, 5 and 7, 11 and 13. Okay, these are the possible 3 pairs I have written here. Next in question number 8, we have to see which one is the prime number. Here we have in the A part that is 23. In part B we have 51. In C we have 37. And in D part I have 26. 23, what are the factors of it? That is 23 into 1. Everyone know 51 is divisible by 3. How it will be divisible? Everyone know when we divide 51 by 3, the value will be, its factors will be 3 into 17 into 11. It means it is not a prime number. This is a prime number. 37 into 1 we can write it as, it is a prime number. 26, it is divisible by 2. 2 into 13 into 1. It means it is not a prime number. Similarly, we can check other values also. Okay. In question number 9, we have to write the 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 such that there is no prime number between them. They are possibly like this: 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, and the last one is 96. Okay, you can check it thoroughly by yourself. Next we have question number 10. In question number 10, what we have to do? In question number 10, what I have to do, we have to find, I'm just rubbing it so that we can write it like this and I will explain it to you. Okay. Now what's there in the question number 10? We have to find the sum of 3 odd primes. We have to write it like this. Okay. 21, how we can write it? 3 plus 7 plus 11. We can easily write it as sum of odd prime numbers. What is the smallest? What is the even prime number? It is only 2. No, not other than this. Okay. 31, we can write it as 3 plus 11 plus 17. Okay. The rest of the part you will do it yourself. How we will split it. Okay. It's your choice how you will split it as a prime odd prime numbers. Okay. Now we are coming to question number 11. Write 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. Okay, we have to find such pair whose sum is divisible by 5 and then they are prime numbers. Both of them must be prime number. The numbers which are divisible by 5, that they comes in 5 table, 5, 10, 15, 20. First is 5. How I will write 5 as sum of prime numbers? 2 plus 3 I can write it as 5. Or next we have 10. How I will write it as sum of prime? 3 plus 7 I can write it as. These are the possible pairs. Next we have 15. How I will write 15? How I will write 15? That I can write 13 plus 2. These both are prime numbers. Next we have 20. How I will write 20? 20 we can write it as 13 plus 7 or 17 plus 3. It is also the same way both. We are getting 20 here. Now we just have to write it as before 20. It means we have done it. The number less than, not more than 20. So we have done it. Okay. Beta, question number 12 is all about fill-ups. You can try it yourself. Okay. These are just definitions of prime numbers and composite number. Now you can do it yourself. Okay. We just have completed exercise 3.2 today.